If you want to send or receive files by using QuickShare on the Pixel 11 Pro, first of all, you will have to start by opening settings on your Pixel, go to the connected devices, open connection preferences, then open a QuickShare, and here, first of all, select who can share with you. So make sure that it will be visible and select proper device for me, everyone, for 10 minutes. And also I can recommend you to enable this one. Tap to share, so it will instantly share contact info and other content between two phones. Thanks to this, you will probably never get any connection problems. Now, let's say that I want to transfer files from this phone into my Pixel, so I have to go for the file. Now I have to just simply click on the share button, and now I have to select Quick Share. It looks the same into this device. Now I can find my Pixel over here, so I'm selecting Pixel, and after a few seconds, we should get this transferring. Take a look. We have to click accept. Now we have to click OK. And as you can see, the transfer is finished. And that's how quickly and easily it works.